Let me show you a great way on how to change the background to a Twinmotion image or video render. But before we proceed, go to the link that I've provided in the video description and download greenscreen.tmi. Now drag the file into your Twinmotion user library. If you're not sure where your library is, go to Preferences, click Custom Paths, click User Library. Now let's open a project. Let's create a simple 10-second video clip. For this exercise, it's best to use a plain background. Now drag your green screen to the background and make the necessary adjustments, like so. So now we're ready to render the video clip. Now open the video clip in After Effects or Adobe Premiere, whatever video compositing software you're using. I will now import a new background. This background is a time lapse that I took of the Sydney skyline here in Australia. Make some adjustments here and there, like so, and we're done. Hang on, wait a minute. The ground color has changed. We want to keep the grass green. So to do this, just duplicate the clip and apply a mask. Adjust the mask like so and automate its position accordingly. And now we are done. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming tutorials. Bye for now.